Okay.
I'm now cutting the carrots.
Jamori is cutting up carrots for the meal. That's gonna add to the one pot meal. Okay guys, Jamori is preparing all the vegetables to be put in the pot. As you see, he's dicing all the peppers.
Just dice me.
She's dicing all the peppers, and there is pepper, there's green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper, and purple onions. He's dicing them up for them to go into the pot. This is prepping. Jamori is prepping all the vegetables. He already did the carrots, and now he's doing all the peppers and onions. Okay, Jamori? You're doing all the onions and peppers?
What would you say, Mom?
You're doing all the peppers and onions?
Yes.
Do you like doing this? Do you like to help mommy cook?
Yes, I tell that's I tell you cook.
Okay. What is your favorite food to cook?
Rice and chicken.
Okay.
What are we cooking?
We're cooking rice and chicken.
Okay.
So this is what we do. We do the prepping. Okay.
I'm good.
Okay, guys. Jamori is going to wash the rice. So it's 3 cups of rice here I have in the bowl, and Jamori will wash in the rice. So go ahead, Jamori, and wash the rice. Okay, now you can strain that water off, Jamori. You can strain the water off. Okay, that's good. Okay, catch some more water inside. There. Okay guys, Jamori is washing the rice until the water is clear. So the rice will take around 3 to 4 wash before the water gets clear. Okay, Jamori, you can strain that off. Okay, that's enough. Let's strain it again. So Jamori is a great help in the kitchen.
Yes,
Yeah. Tell them some of the things you like to do, Jamori. What things you like to cook?
What things I like to do?
Like you like what you like to cook?
Cooking rice and chicken. I like to cook rice and roasted goat. Yeah.
Okay. What you make? Do you make breakfast too?
Yes, I do. I do make breakfast and lunch. I make sandwiches for lunch.
Okay. What are the things that you like to be doing, cooking for breakfast?
I like to cook bologna and fried egg.
Okay. All right. Now you can go ahead and strain that water off. You can strain the water off. Okay. Okay, Jamoy, that's enough. Okay, so for the last wash, do you think the water is clear? Okay. All right, you can take that off. That's enough, Jamoy. Okay, guys. So Jamoy washes the rice. Okay. All right. Okay.